we were talking of migration, that is people moving from one country to another country. Then in that context, there are two more terms, emigrants and immigrants. Emigrants are those who move out of the country. That is, supposing Indians who move to another country would be the immigrants. Immigrants are those who come from other countries and settle here. So, this would be some other countrymen coming and settling down in India would be the immigrants. There are various factors which give rise to emigrants and immigrants. Of course, economic viability is the basic factor. If we see the example of the world, we will see that Sudan has had a great setback in the population because there has been more of out migration. That is, people have moved from that country to another country. Whereas America and Australia have seen more of in-migration. And the reason is very obvious and clear. Whenever there are better health facilities, proper housing, people are happy, education is there, that is the time we see more and more number of people moving in. And if the picture is sad, dismal, then the people move out of the country. Now let's try and understand the pattern of the population change. That is to say, we are trying to understand what exactly it means by the population change pattern. Now I'll pick up the example from two countries of the world, that is Kenya and United Kingdom. You see, both the countries are developed. They have everything good, infrastructure, education, health facilities, and they have people who are healthy, happy. But we see that Kenya is experiencing high population growth, whereas UK has slow population growth. Now what is the reason behind it? The reason is that in Kenya, due to better medical facilities, the number of deaths has decreased, but the number of birth rate has increased, which has led to the rise in the population. But in UK, though there are better medical facilities, but the birth rate and the death rate both are low. That is why the growth in the population is slow. Now let's move on to the population composition. Simply, first of all, what is population composition? It just means that when we try to understand that the people living are of what category in all contexts, whether they are more males or females, educated, uneducated, whether they have high income, low income, in which age category, young or old, and more of dependent population or the independent population, all this counts for the population composition chart. Now here again, you must understand that Bangladesh and Japan, these are the two countries which we have to pick up as a study for the population composition.